Hello backers, hello community. I'm Derick Schweppe, CDO at Mycroft. I'm here to catch you up on where we are in the mechanical design process. In August, we were ready to hand off this design to our contract manufacturer. If we had gone through with production based on this design, it is possible that today we would have had thousands of units. However, it is likely that they would have only been expensive paperweights. Why? Because back then, we did not have a working prototype board. And without that key piece, we weren't able to test things like heat dissipation, microphone performance, and audio performance. Now, our earlier designs were all based on dev boards, but they are cost prohibitive to scale to mass production. So we had to create our own design. So we're very excited about this design. It uses a Xilinx processor and FPGA, but it certainly has been a challenge getting here. Now, as I mentioned before in an earlier blog post, we changed the fabric design substantially. Now, before we had a fabric design that completely wrapped the product, we've switched to this faceplate design. This is better for customization and for manufacturability. Now, working on textiles is tricky, and we're still not 100% out of the woods. We're feeling really good about this design. So where are we today? We've almost completely redesigned Mark II since August. We've added better ventilation, more substantial heat sink on the processor, and overall just really improved the Mark II. Now we're wrapping up 10 prototypes. Darren's hard at work at that. You can hear the 3D printers in the background. As soon as we're done with that, we're looking to accelerate to 100. We're just going to continue validating. It has been a journey, but we're doing our best to make this a great product. Thank you for your patience, and stay tuned for more updates.
Hi everyone, this is Steve Penrod, the CTO at Mycroft AI. I'm going to give you a short demo of the Mark II in action. Now we're still bringing up the graphic core on the main device, so here you see a pre-production prototype on the left running the actual audio interaction and a development system on the right that is connected to for the graphics. Graphics are being generated using KDE Plasma technology. We're still getting the hang of QML interface definition language and just starting to scratch the surface of possibilities, but I'm really excited by the potential. Well, without further ado, let me show off a few things. Hey, Mycroft. What time is it?
It's 3:29.
Hey, Mycroft. What's the weather like?
It's currently mist and 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Today's forecast is for a high of 45 and a low of 25.
And for the final bit, I don't have any graphics yet, but I really wanted to demonstrate how good the Mark II sounds. Hey, Mycroft, play some music.
Just a sec.